Hello friends, now we will see the next part of coding, that is mixed letter coding. So let us see some problems on this to understand it more clearly. So the first question is, here in mixed letter coding some statement is given, like this is the statement, please start the computers, and the code for this statement is given, and like this 2-3 statements are given and their codes are also given, and then we have to find the code for a word, or we have to find the vice versa, that is the word for that code. Okay, so let us see the first question. Here the code is given sa re ga ma, and the sentence for this code is given, please start the computer. So that means the code for, and here we must clearly remember that it is not compulsory that the code for please will be sa, as it comes first in the sentence. It is not necessary. So now we will see, it can be any code, like the code for please can be re, the code for please can be ga or ma. Okay, so for clearing the codes, we will see next statement. The next statement is, please shut down all computers, and here the code is for this pa ga ne sa. So we will see the first and second statement. In the first and second statement, what is common? Please and computers. And now we'll see their codes. In these codes, what is common? Ga and sa. So it is clear that the code for please or computers can be between sa or ga. Okay. Now we'll see the third statement. The third statement is shut down and restart, and the code for this is ka la ne, and the code for shutdown is asked, that is what is the code for shutdown. So shutdown comes in third statement and second statement. So we will add this statement first, and we will see what is the code, what is the common code which is given in these two statements. So we will see, please shut down all computers and shut down and restart. What is common in these two sentences? Only shutdown is common and no other word is common. So we will see here that what is common in these two codes which are given. So let us see. Pa ga ne sa is the code for please shut down all computers, and ka la ne is the code for shut down and restart. And what is common? Ne. And in this, shutdown is common. So the code for shutdown is ne. Okay, this is the answer. Now the second statement is, na ta ka means drink fresh juice. Ta ka ma means juice is tasty. Ma sa ja means Raju is honest. Then what is the code for tasty? It is asked. So let us first see that in which sentence tasty comes. Tasty comes in second sentence. Okay, so the code for second sentence is ta pa ma. Okay, and what here juice also comes and is also comes. So is comes in which other statement? Raju is honest. Okay, so we will see the third statement, ma sa ja. So in these two statements, what is common? Is common. Okay, so the code for is will be in this two statement. We will see which is the common code which is given. That will be the code for is. So in this two statement, what is common? Ma, M-A, that is common, ma. So the code for is will be ma. Okay. Now for finding the code for tasty, we will find the code for is given, that is is. Okay. And now we have to find the code for juice. That is given in first sentence also juice is given, and in second sentence also juice is given. So what is common in first and second sentence? Na, ta, ka and ta, pa, ma. So what is common? Ta. So clearly the code for juice will be ta. Ta. Ta is for juice. So what is left? Pa is left here and here tasty is left. So what will the code for tasty now? Pa. So this will bring the correct answer. Okay. So by this way, by following this step, we will solve the mixed letter coding type of questions. And if you have any problem, then please contact our channel Moving Film Productions. Okay.